Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Vaunn Desk Bike Pedal Exerciser with electronic display, perfect for indoor physical therapy and light workouts. This innovative exerciser boasts a new model design with a wider base and heavy-duty frame, ensuring enhanced stability and support, while its lower height allows it to fit comfortably under desks and tables. Imagine combining your favorite activities with your workout routine. Place this pedaler under your desk while you work, play an online game, read a book, watch a movie, or chat with a friend, making exercise an enjoyable part of your day. It's not just for your legs. This exerciser helps tone muscles, improve blood circulation, and strengthen your shoulders, arms, and legs. With an adjustable tension knob, you can easily control the level of resistance and workout intensity to suit your needs. Plus, the quick-release folding mechanism makes it compact, lightweight, and easy to store or take on the go, and it comes fully assembled, with only small accessories needing attachment. Experience the convenience and versatility of the Vaunn Desk Bike Pedal Exerciser and transform your daily routine into a healthier, more active lifestyle. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.